In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Whatnot app. If you want to shop, sell, or connect on Whatnot from your phone, the first thing you need to do is install the official app on your device. The process is very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly for both Android and iPhone. To begin, open the App Store that matches your phone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before downloading, since that will help the installation finish smoothly and avoid interruptions. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar and type in Whatnot. You can also search for the full app name, which is Whatnot Shop, Sell, Connect. Typing the full name can sometimes make it easier to find the exact app right away, especially if there are similar-looking results. When the search results appear, choose the official app. You want to look for the listing called Whatnot, Shop, Sell, Connect, and the developer should be shown as Whatnot Inc. This part is important because downloading the official version helps make sure you're getting the correct app and not an unrelated one with a similar name. After you've found the right app, go ahead and start the download. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get, then confirm the download using your device's normal verification method, such as Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Depending on your internet speed, the app may take a few moments to download and install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. This will take you directly into Whatnot so you can get started right away. From there, you'll either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Whatnot account, simply sign in using your existing login details. If you're new to the platform, tap Sign Up and follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Just take your time and fill in the required information carefully. A couple of quick tips before you go. Always download only the official app from Whatnot Inc. If you can't find the app in your app store, your device may not meet the app's requirements, or it may be running an older version of Android or iOS. And if you'd rather not install the app, you can still browse Whatnot using a web browser instead. That's it. You now know how to download the Whatnot app.